Hello everyone. Today let us show a Montessori activity of rolling a sitting mat. This presentation can be shown to a child of 2.5 years and above. Let's start the activity. For this we require a sitting mat which is unrolled in the similar manner and you have to sit on your haunches. Ask the child to comfortably be seated and watch your presentation. The thumb of the hand below the open edge of the mat. Place the four fingers on top of it. Repeat the movements with the other hand. Roll the mat away from you. Make sure the roll should not be too tight or too loose. While rolling the mat, check for the evenness of the sides by indicating in the similar pattern. Maintain eye contact with the child. Roll the mat slowly until the open edge of the mat is on the top. Release the hand one at a time. Mention this point to the child. See, the open edge of the mat is on top of it. Repeat the presentation in different directions. Invite a child to repeat the same activity. Thank you.